My motherfucking God. Erica Sanders, did you just say you're trying to speak American? Bitch, you don't even know to pronounce your fucking words properly. But if that's the way you said you speaking proper English and you said you speaking like a Yankee or American, girl, you need to go back to school, honey. You need to go the fuck back to school. Bitch, you sound so fucking dumb. Erica, remember, you cannot pronounce your word properly. Erica, you need to go back to school, you dumb fucking bitch. Erica, get up off your slimy pussy, bitch. Bitch, your pussy is slimy. Your pussy is full of fucking slime. Remember, bitch, you was in the background arguing with another woman to fill up your pussy, to wash your pussy. Erica, remember, you a sodomite bitch where Barry friend fucked you out and you had to suck her out. Erica, this is what America sounds like, bitch. You fucking dumb asshole. You cannot even pronounce your word properly. And like I said, I just give you some challenge. I want to see your eyes. I want to see your house. I want to see your bank statement. I want to see your sunroom. And I would gladly show you my fucking leg. I would gladly show any one of you bitches my leg. Just do as I fucking said, bitch. Let's go. You want to do a challenge? You telling me to do something, bitch? You older than me. You do what the fuck I said, because I'm waiting, bitch. I'm waiting, because I'm going to shut y'all the fuck up. You so fucking dumb. Look, even Barry that said he fuck out your son, Batty. You have to be on the phone with him. Bitch, you a clown ass hoe. People, top off the morning. Me say people, me just get up out of my nice clean bed and me hear say girl a call me name. Me say, make girl get upset. Them sick of me. I beg God now make you get rid of me. Erica, somebody just send me a piece of clipping say you say you do challenge. Erica, the first challenge me I gonna do, right? More you come out on the internet. Let's do challenge for challenge, Erica. Erica, the first challenge more you do, come out on the internet, take off your glasses, show your fucking eyes them, and wink them and show them so your two eyes can't move. Challenge number 1. Challenge number 2, Erica, I want you open up your mouth. Come and open up your mouth and show the people them say how much of your teeth them missing. That's number 2. Challenge number 3, Erica, I want you go for your bank book because everybody already knows say your name is Erica Sanders. I'm come show your bank book and show you say you have enough money. That's number 3. Number 4, Erica, we want you come and show with your son and show with your son room and your house. That's number 4 or 5. Number 6, we want you come and show me your car, Erica. Erica, I will come and show my blood clot foot because guess what? Me always tell people say no, who know are some uneducated people. Erica, you know I have Blue Cross and Blue Blood Clot Shield. Erica, me can't come and show that. Erica Sanders, let me know if you still live at 923 Washington Avenue in Poughkeepsie. Let me know if you still live there because we not have to in the bag of argument. We can just pull up and show you proof. That's all be an answer, Erica. Let's do proof for blood clot proof. Erica, you are so dumb and so uneducated. Oh, somebody have foot rotten in America, bitch. If your foot is infected, it's gonna hurt you. You cannot take the pain. You would have to go to a doctor, but guess what? You're so dumb. Erica, you are so dumb. Erica, all people have foot pan worm come out of them blood clot foot. Erica, you know why the Bible ain't not work for you? Because God knows say all you believe in is obia. Erica, my mother a blood clot Christian and my auntie is a spiritual woman. Me not believe in a blood clot obia. That's why every time when you come with your enemy them, you always a come with Bible. Remember, Dirty Batman Berry used to tell you put on the blood clot Bible because God a go strike you. You know, say, girl, make you get up this morning, have to make blood clot life. Bitch, you have to call Fretdem name. Remember, Fretdem is a VIP. Only remember me. And me those who no blood clot. Me not understand all you have on glasses like Ray Charles and blood clot where your other one they name and you see me. Dirty Drunkro. Let's bring out the challenge them. Bring out your bank account, your car, your house deed, and your son Erica. Erica, bring out your blood clot passport book, Erica. Me bring out mine. Sure for sure, Erica. Let's do the blood clot challenge and stop it night. Erica, me the America from me a blood clot 11. Erica, the oldest pitney me give Uncle Sam at 25. Go suck your mother. Bring out your pitney them and bring out the challenge them. Erica, attack your attack for look blood clot fame. Erica, remember your own man Derek K. Kingston say, You go buy fake blood clot clothes. You buy the real one for sure. And then you carry the real one back and buy fake clothes. Remember why Derek leave your big, dirty, stinking, nasty blood clot. You hate me, Erica. Guess what? Your bad name Sanders and Erica, you have 40 blood clot, going 49. I think you've turned 49 this year. And no man, no blood clot married to you. And you say, Erica, you worry about my dog bite? One time I got court next year, you go blood clot. See how much money me I go get for my dog bite. Erica, you blood clot. Clown. Remember, you say you're the America all these years and you don't know nothing about America rules and law. You come up and try to sound educated, but you sound dumb, no blood clot. Remember, Kings County is a free blood clot hospital. Richmond University in Staten Island is a government hospital. So all girls have foot a rotten. And you see girl a blood clot walk. You know, see so uneducated at its best. Erica, you a blood clot idiot. Erica, oh my blood clot husband. My husband there work right now. Me there home today Friday. So when time come home, me gonna make him talk for you. Erica, remember, my man no stay like your man. Come out and say all you do is suck out in body wall. Erica, you hurt, you know, stay to take your man because you're batting your man. Erica shit full your blood clot brain. You need to be released and post full up your blood clot. Erica, look, I be your old picture you have your show from 5 years, 10 years. Start show picture from 2018, 19, 20 to 21. No blood clot, big sour stinking girl. You know, no sense. Erica, me give you the challenge them. Let's come out and do the challenge them together. Let's blood clot go. We can't do panic candidate together. Let's go, bitch. Let's blood clot go. Erica Sanders. Remember them know your name already. Come put up your American book. Erica, look how much blood clot people are citizens no got Jamaica. So what you gonna tell me say? Me no see Candy I got Jamaica. Me no see Diary I got Jamaica. You think everybody want got blood clot piece of old Jamaica? When you got Jamaica, remember you sit down in our house, not even blood clot AC you have. You're in the act no blood clot. So what you say? Me go got Jamaica like big dirty stinking nasty blood clot puss and sit down and now gonna when me tired of blood clot Jamaica other place me want to go. Me not to put member now. You live for the gram. Remember you beg baby Lee make up a blood clot fake deed for your fake bank account Erica cause you don't live nowhere. You're coming like the ones that always attack but you don't have money and good credit but you do not have no house. Only a piece of car. Move your dirty blood clot. Green Giant, Marble blood clot. Yeah, Erica, come let's do the eye challenge, the horse challenge, the bank account challenge, the pussy challenge, the body challenge, Erica, cause you're full up a lump like Camille. I want to know what the Cyclops, yeah, Erica. Erica with the Cyclops, Marble, yeah, Erica. Erica, me don't know the blood clot. You get up and a call Fretdem name for a call SWAT team name for dirty blood clot girl Erica. Yeah, come talk about when SWAT team do the thing them. Yeah, come go like say your blood clot innocence. Big body Erica. Erica, when you walk and then you no stop blood clot because at church you always a keep under blood clot you. Erica, you can't call no girl big because you're big and stay bad no blood clot. Erica, you come like a big back blood clot trailer. Erica, when I talk about the blood clot man we say him can't even get for shit in blood clot piece because he no stop near out the shit out time body wall. When time blood clot Kingston come on line, come this you up and blood clot down live. When you not talk about that, you come talk about people with your pitney this and people with your pitney that. Erica, you don't have custody for your pitney. Go and go blood clot, eat the girl will drop out the blood clot information. Don't call Fretdem blood clot name or SWAT team name in your big stinking mouth. Big blood clot cross-eyed Erica. Erica, you come talk about people have your information. All with people know say your name Erica Sanders. Why? Because you love to do shit for the gram, bitch. Bitch, you love to do shit for clout. Remember when you lock up blood clot Kingston after him now want you jump on pussy no more. Right? You run and put up order protection up on blood clot Instagram because you look validation. Bitch, stop seeking fucking validation. Go suck your mother. All you blood clot hungry Batman berry. Guess what? Me no in a blood clot fish fry, so don't call me name. You understand? I am not the blood blood clot tank. So don't call me name, me no deal with fish. Boy, we have to eat blood clot, ketchup and noodle. For them dinner can't talk to me. Max and Root, my blood clot dog, and I'm better than you. Berry, you can't talk to nobody. You're hungry, no blood clot. Because you know, say child tax credit come today. So that's why you call up people name. Berry, you're hungry. Go find a blood clot job. You talk about say people bagga. Who the fuck bagga like oh no? You bagga and don't have a job. Other girl bagga money are coming in. What the fuck wrong with you? Go suck your mother, Berry. Berry, go and go find who your blood clot father. Erica, your big no blood clot, sweet marble eye, Erica. Erica, New York, you there. Me no in an argument with you. New Jersey, you there. Somebody said them see in a Jersey, you're big and sour no blood clot. Erica, take off the glasses. You are not Stevie blood clot wonder. Or what the other one you name? Ray Charles. In your Ray Charles daughter, yeah, come out and come talk about this and talk about that. Erica go suck your mother. You never gone away. No call me name in your big no blood clot sweet mouth. Erica, you big dirty green giant. When your man come out and disrespect you and say, oh, you don't take care of your blood clot pitney. Why you not gonna argue with him? Stop, get your head from out of Kingston, Batty. You don't want taxi at Kingston, come out, come talk about you and talk about your pitney. And oh, you don't treat your blood clot pitney good. Me hear you talk about big money. What do you consider big money? Erica treat us my blood clot one. You understand? And me have my care Erica on my bank account. Erica, me have over a blood clot 100,000 on my bank account. Erica, bring out your blood clot passport and less